In this evening's Ray of Hope, we look at the work of a religious organization bringing smiles with a cup of soup.
The Bible says it's better to give than to receive. And when you give to the poor, you lend to God.
On Wednesdays, before daybreak, members of the Highway Truth Apostolic Temple in Seaview Gardens gather on the church grounds for a worthy cause. It's to prepare soup for more than 200 persons in the community. The feeding program, Pastor Judith McClocking told us, started in Waterhouse. It's where she and her team served soup to students after school.
Realize that the more mature persons, they want it. So we said, no. The cup soup can't work. And we started to put on the pot on the coal fire.
Now, from their little kitchen in Seaview Gardens, they are touching the lives of the elderly.
They would ask for help to wash their clothes. We would do that for them, right? Whatever they want us to do.
You wash the clothes?
Yes, we wash the clothes.
As my pastor would say, give out of your nothing. That is what I do, you know. So I will go around, even before church, I will help out elderly because they can't help themselves, you know, and sometimes they don't have anybody to look after them. So I have to just help them. I will go and wash their hair. You know, if I have any money, I will buy something for them to eat. If I cook, I will carry it and give them. That's missionary, you just serve.
We sit here and we think, I wonder if this person eats, because by serving you get to know them, especially the young youths, especially the young girls. You wonder, I wonder if they eat. I wonder if they're okay. So your heart really goes out for them. And this develops love for them and love for us. They develop the love for us.
A cup of soup from the volunteers has also proven to be enough to brighten the day for dozens of shut-ins.
You don't have plenty of people that really consider about the elderly. You understand? So that when something like this done to we the elderly, not me alone, you know, but saying at the area with the elder people, it is very nice for somebody remember you.
I look to it, not a lie. Because every request me have, me say it won't come. I look it, I appreciate it and I'm thankful for it.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Cody Ann Barrett.